Thinking about jumping into real estate investing, but not sure where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps to get you on track for purchasing your first investment property. Whether you're looking to build wealth or create a passive income stream, this guide will help you lay a strong foundation. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set your goals and budget. Before you get started, it's crucial to know what you want to achieve and how much you're willing to invest. Ask yourself, are you looking for cash flow, long-term appreciation, or both? It's important to be clear about your investment strategy. This helps you choose the right property type, whether it's a single-family home, multifamily, or even a commercial property. Next, assess your budget. Look at your savings, credit score, and any available funding sources. Understanding your finances helps set realistic goals and gives you clarity on how much you can afford to spend. You'll also need to factor in closing costs, insurance, property taxes, and possible repairs. Setting a budget now will prevent you from overextending later. Remember, real estate investing is a long-term game, so ensuring you have the financial stability to move forward is key. Step 2. Research the market. In real estate, location is everything, and your choice of market can make or break your investment. This step involves researching different areas to identify markets that are growing and have potential for future appreciation or strong rental demand. Look for markets with strong job growth, rising population numbers, and access to good schools or public services. Websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Redfin can give you an overview of property prices and trends in various areas. Consider what you want in a property, whether it's a residential area with schools and parks, or an up-and-coming neighborhood with investment potential. You'll also want to assess the rental demand. Properties that are in high demand for renters are generally more lucrative. If you're not sure where to start, try focusing on your local market, where you already have some familiarity. It's easier to start with a location you know well, and you can always expand to other areas as your portfolio grows. Step 3. Build your team. Real estate isn't something you have to do alone. Building a team of experienced professionals will make the process much smoother and help you avoid common pitfalls. Your team should include a knowledgeable real estate agent who understands the local market and investment properties. You'll also need a trusted lender to help you secure financing, whether it's through a conventional loan, FHA loan, or other financing options. It's essential to shop around for the best mortgage rates and terms. Next, connect with an inspector who can thoroughly assess the property's condition and help you avoid buying a property with hidden problems. If you plan on renting out the property, you might also need a property manager, especially if you're buying a multi-unit building or a property far from home. Having the right team in place gives you confidence, knowing you have experts guiding you through each step of the process. Step 4. Secure financing. Unless you're planning to pay cash for the property, securing financing is one of the most important steps. The first thing you'll want to do is get pre-approved for a loan, which tells you exactly how much you can borrow and helps you avoid wasting time looking at properties outside of your price range. There are many financing options available for beginners, including conventional loans, FHA loans, and even VA loans if you're a veteran. If you have limited savings, you may also want to consider creative financing strategies, such as seller financing, where the seller acts as the lender, or using partnerships to pool resources with other investors. This could significantly lower the upfront costs required. Don't forget about closing costs, insurance, and other expenses associated with taking out a mortgage. By securing your financing early, you'll be in a stronger position when it's time to make an offer on a property. Step 5. Find and close on your property. Now that you've set your goals, researched the market, built your team, and secured financing, it's time to start looking for your investment property. This is the exciting part. Start actively searching for properties that meet your criteria, within your budget, in your desired location, and with potential for good returns. When you find a property you're interested in, run the numbers to ensure it makes financial sense. Consider the price, potential rental income, property taxes, maintenance costs, and financing terms. If everything checks out, it's time to make an offer. Once your offer is accepted, you'll go through the closing process, which includes inspections, finalizing financing, and signing contracts. Be patient, as the process can take some time, but once you close, congratulations, you're officially a real estate investor. And remember, the learning doesn't stop here. Real estate investing is an ongoing journey of learning, growing, and building wealth. To recap, here are the 5 steps to buying your first property. Set your goals and budget, research the market, build your team, secure financing, and find your property. It's not as complicated as it may seem, and taking it step by step will set you up for success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with anyone you know who's looking to start their real estate journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.